One thing I'm absolutely sure of is how amazing my baked goods are. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this moist carrot cake. So keep on watching if you love to see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and today we're making carrot cake. So you start off by measuring out your ingredients, starting from your flour and your sugar. We're going to be using two different types of sugar for this recipe, just the brown and the white sugar. You can also use just the white, but do not use only brown. We also have salt, baking powder and baking soda, some eggs, some odorless oil. You do not want to use anything like soy oil or any seed oil that has a fragrance or a flavor. You want something plain and neutral. And of course, the star of the show, we have carrots. Now, am I the only one that believes that carrot cakes are Christmas cakes? Because I would take a carrot cake over a fruit cake any day. So guys, you need a mixing bowl, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is cracking in my eggs, and in total I'm going to be using 10 eggs. To that I added my 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. All the measurement and ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out, okay? And now I'm just using a whisk to whisk this vigorously. Like, you need to put power and might into this. You need to whisk it like your life depends on it. Now, if you have a hand mixer, you can easily just use your hand mixer for this and it will be done in a couple of seconds, but just for demonstration purposes, I am using a handheld whisk. Okay, so you want to whisk till you start seeing all those foams that you're seeing at the top, and to that now I'm going to be adding my oil. Don't forget that all the ingredients are listed in the description box below, so check that out. I would keep whisking after adding my oil until I am satisfied. You're going to observe that the batter got a bit paler than it was, and this is just the consistency you want to aim to achieve. So to that I'm also adding 1/4 cup of buttermilk. And if you don't know how to achieve buttermilk, or you don't have access to buttermilk, you can easily just use the milk to vinegar solution. And that is it for all our wet ingredients. And now we're going to proceed to add our dry ingredient. Now I'm using 500 grams of flour, and I've already measured this before and sieved it, but this again is just for demonstration purposes. Always be sure to sift your flour, because they do not just get rid of impurities, they also help your flour get fluffy and light. So to my dry ingredients now, I added my baking powder, my baking soda and salt, and I'm just mixing everything in. As you can see, I poured in all the flour mixture at once. This carrot cake is the easiest cake you can make. Literally, it's just the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients and combine everything together. Now the goal is in the mixing process. You do not need to whisk vigorously anymore immediately you add your flour. Now you just want to combine this gradually. Do not get impatient at any point. Just keep stirring calmly and slowly till all the lumps and seeds are gone. Okay, we don't want to overwork our flour, and this is the consistency that I will be personally going for, and this is the consistency you should too. So now that all that is mixed, I'm going to be adding 4 cups of carrots, or I'm already adding 4 cups of carrots, and I just grated my carrot with the second biggest grater. Don't worry about it. By the time this bake, the carrot will be so soft that you're not going to be chewing it long like this. And then I added 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to this. Now do not skip out on this cinnamon powder. It elevates the whole taste of the carrot. Carrots can be overbearing, and especially if you're not using sweet carrots, then you do need the cinnamon flavor to kill that rawness or vegetable taste that the carrot always have. Okay, so you need to add cinnamon, or you can also substitute with nutmeg. But if you're an OG on this channel, you know that I do not roll with nutmeg at all. I don't know why, but I hate it with all my life. But anyways, guys, this is literally it. You just need to make sure that everything is properly combined and that there is no clog or flaw somewhere. To that, I also decided to add last minute 1 cup of raisins, because I was like, is this carrot cake going to be so plain? At the end of the day, I am baking my Christmas carrot cake that I ate today. But anyways, I proceeded to share this into 3 different pans, and these are just 2 6-inch pan and 3 by 9 inches loaf pan. And I just shared this batter. I boiled it. I didn't share it evenly. Also know that this recipe is perfect for you if you're a cake baker or you're into selling of cakes. Then this recipe is also very good for you. And you see that this carrot cake comes together quite easily and fast. Like, you're not even going to stay long. It comes together very fast. Okay, so this, in fact, you need to try this recipe. And if you have been watching up until this point, do not forget to subscribe and also hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel. This would help my channel grow. Also watch this video to the end so that it helps the algorithm push my video to the people that need it. Okay, thank you very much. Anyways, I decided to top the batter up with some more carrots and some more raisins. I doubt this carrot is going to show when this baked because of how moist this cake is. It does not rise up the way a vanilla cake would or the way a chocolate cake would. It's not the same thing. This texture and the way this will bake is more similar to a banana bread. So guys, I baked this cake for 40 minutes on a 190 degrees Celsius oven, and this is how it came out after 40 minutes. Isn't it beautiful? Now, remember that this cake is moist, so you do not expect it to add volume or height the way a vanilla cake would, and you also do not want this to be exactly the same length you baked it. This is a moist carrot cake, and oh gosh, look at how soft this cake is. Like, I could barely hold it, and this cake is not hot. Like, I made sure it cooled down properly before flipping it over, and just look at how moist this is. If you're not convinced that this is the best cake of this Christmas season, I don't know, make it first and then tell me between it and fruit cake which you prefer. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to cut it open so that you can also see how moist it is. Like, can you see there are no crumbs by the sides? It's just cutting like a dream. And yeah, this is what you are going to achieve when you try out this recipe. Like, see how I'm carrying the cake like as if it's egg because of how soft it is. This cake is so tasty, so amazing. I'm not just hyping myself, but the cake is so nice. I got reviews from this cake because I shared it to my customers after I'm done. Fun fact about me, I am not as sweet tooth as people think I am. But yeah, hope you try this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.